Ever wondered what makes Pakistan so unique? Is it the thrilling cricket matches, the mystical Sufism, or the tantalizing spicy food? Let's embark on a journey to unravel this enigma. Pakistan, a land of diversity and charm, is renowned for its deep-rooted cricket culture that unites the nation, regardless of age or location. The excitement and passion that cricket brings to this nation are unmatched, making it more than just a game. But there's more to Pakistan than cricket. The country's spiritual heritage is steeped in Sufism, a mystical branch of Islam that emphasizes a direct personal experience of the divine. Its enchanting rituals and soulful music are a testament to Pakistan's rich spiritual tapestry. And let's not forget the food. Pakistani cuisine is a flavorful medley of spices, each dish telling a story of its own. From mouth-watering biryanis to spicy kebabs, the food is as diverse and fascinating as the country itself. Join us as we delve deeper into the world of cricket, Sufism, and spicy food in Pakistan. In Pakistan, cricket is not just a sport, it's a way of life. From the bustling streets of Karachi to the serene foothills of the Himalayas, the sound of a cricket ball hitting a bat echoes across the land. It's a melody that resonates with the rhythm of the heartbeats of millions of Pakistanis, fueled by a passion that is palpable and infectious. Picture this: a group of children playing cricket in a narrow alley, a makeshift pitch, a tape ball, and dreams in their eyes. This is where it all begins. The love for cricket is instilled early on, and it grows with them, becoming an inseparable part of their identity. It's not just a game, it's a celebration, a shared joy, a collective dream. The cricket field is a stage where heroes are born and legends are made. Pakistani cricketers, with their remarkable skills and unwavering spirit, have etched their names in the annals of cricketing history. From the fast bowling maestros to the spin wizards, from the aggressive batsmen to the agile fielders, they've shown the world the prowess of Pakistan on the cricket field. Cricket in Pakistan is also a symbol of unity. It transcends regional, ethnic, and class boundaries. When the national team plays, it's not just 11 players on the field, but a nation of over 200 million people standing behind them, cheering them on. The roars of Pakistan Zindabad that fill the air during a match are not just chants, but a testament to the unifying power of cricket. And then there are the victories, the glorious moments when the team lifts the trophy and the whole country erupts in jubilation. Those moments are etched in the collective memory of the nation, reminding them of their shared love for the game and their shared pride in their country's achievements. So you see, in Pakistan, cricket is a thrilling spectacle that brings the nation together. It's more than just a game. It's a culture, a passion, a unifying force, and a source of national pride. The love for cricket runs deep in the veins of Pakistanis, and it's a love that they carry with them wherever they go. While cricket stirs the nation's heartbeat, Sufism nourishes its soul. Now, let's embark on a journey to explore the mystical path of Sufism, a spiritual tradition that has deeply influenced the cultural fabric of Pakistan. Sufism is not just a religious sect, it's a way of life for many in Pakistan. It's a mystical Islamic belief system, focused on the inward search for God and shunning materialistic world. This spiritual journey for many is not just about finding the divine, but also about understanding oneself and the world around. Throughout the ages, Sufi saints like Bulleh Shah and Rumi have been instrumental in spreading the message of peace, love, and unity in the region. Their profound wisdom and enchanting poetry continue to inspire and guide millions around the world, transcending religious and geographical boundaries. Sufism in Pakistan is not confined to the spiritual realm alone. It has significantly shaped the country's cultural identity, leaving an indelible mark on its music, literature, and arts. The mesmerizing Qawwali, a form of Sufi devotional music, is a testament to this. The soul-stirring renditions of Qawwali maestros like Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan have captivated audiences worldwide, creating a global appreciation for this mystical music genre. But it's not just about the music. The annual Urz celebrations at the shrines of Sufi saints are a vibrant display of Pakistan's rich cultural heritage. These events draw thousands of devotees who come to pay their respects, seek spiritual solace, and partake in the communal harmony that these gatherings foster. In a world often marred by divisions and strife, Sufism serves as a beacon of hope, promoting a message of universal love, tolerance, and unity. It invites us to look beyond our differences, to find the common thread that binds us all, the quest for inner peace and spiritual fulfillment. Sufism, with its enchanting music and profound wisdom, truly is the heart of Pakistan. As we continue our journey, let's delve deeper into the vibrant tapestry that is Pakistan, a land that offers so much more than what meets the eye. From the cricket field and the Sufi shrines, we now turn to another exciting aspect of Pakistani culture, its spicy food. The cuisine is as diverse as the country, with each region offering its own unique twist on traditional dishes. From the bustling markets of Karachi to the serene mountains of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the food of Pakistan is as rich and varied as its landscape. Imagine a table laden with dishes that tickle your senses. The sight of vibrant colors, the sound of sizzling spices, the aroma of fragrant herbs, and the taste of mouth-watering flavors. This is not merely a meal, it's a symphony of experiences, a feast for the senses. Start your culinary adventure with biryani, a flavorful rice dish layered with meat and a medley of spices, each bite a delightful surprise. Or perhaps you'd prefer a steamy plate of nihari, slow-cooked meat stew that melts in your mouth, its richness balanced by a squeeze of fresh lime and a sprinkle of fresh coriander. Venture into street food, and you'll find pani puri, small puffed bread filled with tangy tamarind water, a burst of flavors that's as exciting as a cricket match. There's also the popular chai tea, a milky brew infused with cardamom and cloves, a comforting sip that's a daily ritual for many. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the art of Pakistani barbecue. Kebabs, marinated in a blend of spices and grilled to perfection, are a staple in every festive gathering. And then there's the tandoori chicken. Its smoky flavor and succulent meat a testament to the mastery of the tandoor oven. But no culinary journey is complete without a sweet ending. Gulab jamun, deep-fried dumplings soaked in sweet syrup, offer a perfect end to a meal. Their soft texture and sweet taste a delightful contrast to the preceding spicy dishes. Indeed, the spicy food of Pakistan is a culinary adventure that is as diverse and vibrant as the country itself. In the end, it is the combination of these elements, cricket, Sufism, and spicy food, that makes Pakistan so unique. Just like the threads of a richly woven tapestry, these elements intertwine to paint a vibrant picture of Pakistani culture. Each thread, though different in color and texture, is vital to the overall image. Let's start with cricket, a sport that's not just a game in Pakistan, but a way of life. It's the rhythm of the streets, the pulse of the nation, a shared passion that unites millions. The enthusiasm for cricket transcends boundaries of age, class, and geography, creating a bond that's deeply embedded in the nation's psyche. It's more than a sport. It's a celebration of unity, resilience, and the indomitable Pakistani spirit. Now picture the serene Sufi shrines scattered across the country, where the air is thick with spirituality and devotion. Sufism in Pakistan is a mystical path, a journey towards self-discovery and spiritual fulfillment. It's a transcendent experience that connects the earthly and the divine, offering a refuge from the humdrum of daily life. It's the soul of Pakistan, a testament to the country's rich spiritual heritage. And of course, we cannot forget the spicy delights of Pakistani cuisine. The tantalizing aroma of spices, the sizzle of kebabs on the grill, the sweet allure of traditional desserts. Food in Pakistan is a sensory experience, a culinary adventure. It's an integral part of the Pakistani identity, a delicious manifestation of the country's diverse cultural influences. In essence, these elements, cricket, Sufism, and food, create a unique cultural tapestry that is quintessentially Pakistani. Each strand is distinct yet interconnected, contributing to the country's vibrant cultural identity. So the next time you think of Pakistan, remember it as a land where cricket is a celebration, Sufism is a spiritual journey, and food is a spicy delight. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such adventures.